students, a very warm welcome to the class. How are you all? Hope you are fit, fine and doing great. So, myself Divyani Shukla, your SST teacher, and today I'm going to start a very new chapter, which is your chapter number 5, Congo, the Democratic Republic. So, Congo, which is known as DRC, the Democratic Republic. कॉन्गो जो कि हमारी थर्ड लार्जेस्ट कंट्री है लोकेटेड इन अफ्रीका. दिस कंट्री इज नोन फॉर इट्स नेचुरल वाइल्ड लाइफ, रेन फॉरेस्ट, रिवर्स, लेक्स एंड इट्स नेचुरल beauty. So let's begin with this chapter build up. Complete the poem by filling the blanks with the correct word from the hints. So let's begin with the first. Congo trees are big and dash. Hint is opposite of short. What is the opposite of short? Tall. So Congo trees are big and tall. Likewise, you can do the remaining questions. Now, moving to the chapter, the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, once called Zaire, is one of the largest countries in Africa. It is the third biggest country on the continent. This beautiful land is named for its rainforest, rivers, lakes, and incredible wildlife. Let us explore more about this unique country. So, the Democratic Republic of Congo, also known as DRC, which in earlier times also called Zaire. It is the third largest city it is the third biggest country on continent. And it is one of the largest countries in Africa. This land is known for its rainforest, rivers, lakes, or incredible wildlife. Now, let us know more about this country. Next heading is or next topic is location and size. इसकी location क्या है और size क्या है? Let's see. The DRC lies in Central Africa and stretches across a large area. A special feature of this country is that it is located on right side of equator, which divides the earth into two halves. This location marks the country hot and rainy for most of the year. तो DRC जो है वो lie करती है सेंट्रल अफ्रीका में and it stretch across the large area. एक स्पेशल फीचर जो है इस कंट्री का वो ये है कि ये इक्वेटर के राइट साइड पे लोकेटेड है, जो कि अर्थ को दो हाफ्स में डिवाइड कंट्री है, जो कि अर्थ को टू हाफ्स में डिवाइड करती है. दिस लोकेशन मार्क्स द कंट्री हॉट एंड रेनी फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ द ईयर. द डीआरसी इज ऑल्सो सराउंडेड बाय सेवरल अदर कंट्रीज. कौन कौन सी कंट्री से सराउंडेड है? फर्स्ट नॉर्थ, सेंट्रल अफ्रीकन रिपब्लिक एंड सदर्न. ईस्ट में किससे सराउंडेड है ये? उगांडा. इन ईस्ट इट इज सराउंडेड बाय उगांडा, Rwanda, Burundi and Tanzania. In west, it is the Republic of Congo and in south, Zambia and Angola. The Congo River, a very important river, flows through DRC. It is the second longest river in Africa and is also called Highway of Central Africa because it is used for transportation and trade. DRC has also several large lakes such as Lake Albert, Lake Kivu, Lake Edward and Lake Tanganyika. तो कॉन्गो रिवर जो कि एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रिवर है क्योंकि ये ट्रेड और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में यूज की जाती है. इट इज द सेकेंड लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन अफ्रीका, ऑल्सो कॉल्ड हाईवे ऑफ सेंट्रल अफ्रीका. डीआरसी में सेवरल लार्ज लेक्स है नेम्ड एज लेक एल्बर्ट, लेक किवू, लेक एडवर्ड एक्सेट्रा. Now let's see what is the climate of Congo. The DRC has a hot and wet climate because of its location near equator. तो DRC जो है वो इक्वेटर के पास लोकेटेड है, so it is hot and wet throughout the year. Mornings are usually cool and pleasant. Midday becomes very hot. Afternoons bring rainfall which cools the air. Afternoon में rainfall आती है जो कि air को cool कर देती है. Evenings and nights are cooler and more comfortable. The weather is perfect for growing plants, which is why rainforests in DRC are so lush and dense. तो वेदर जो है यहाँ का बहुत परफेक्ट है फॉर ग्रोइंग प्लांट्स. इसी की वजह से यहाँ पे DRC में जो रेन फॉरेस्ट है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा लश, ग्रीन और डेंस है. Now it's the time of act and learn. Write the unscrabbles. You have to unscrabble the following words. So, what will be the word form after unscrabbling it? The word form will be okapi. O-K-A-P-I. Okapi. Likewise, you can unscrabble all the remaining words. Now, moving to the next topic which is vegetation. Vegetation यहाँ पे कैसी होगी? Weather pleasant है, weather is good for growing crops, तो densely populated हो गई है. The DRC is covered with thick rainforest. The forests are very tall trees and their leaves form a roof-like structure called a canopy. Under the canopy, it's dark and damp with many bushes and climbing plants growing there. In areas that are less rainy, there are savannas, which are grassland with a few scattered trees. The DRC natural beauty include both rainforest and savannas. तो DRC mostly thick for rainforest से covered है. Trees are very tall and leaves जो है वो एक रूफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर फॉर्म करती हैं जिसको हम कैनोपी बोलते हैं. कैनोपी के नीचे एक डार्क और डैम्प एरिया होता है जिसमें बहुत सी बुशेज है और क्लाइंबिंग प्लांट्स हैं. जिन एरियाज में डीआरसी के जिन एरियाज में लेस रेनफॉल होती है देयर आर savannas which are called grasslands with a few scattered trees. डीआरसी की नेचुरल ब्यूटी में रेन फॉरेस्ट भी है और savannas भी हैं. What are savannas? Grasslands. Now let's see the wildlife of DRC. The forest in DRC are a home to variety of animals. जो forest है वो घर है बहुत सारे animals का. Gorillas, chimpanzees and monkeys swinging among the trees. So some animals like gorillas, chimpanzees and monkeys swing among the trees. Insect and reptiles such as snakes and crocodiles live in the forest and rivers. So snakes और forest crocodiles भी यहाँ पे मिलते हैं हमें. Crocodiles and hippos living in rivers and swamps. One of the most unique animals in the deer is okapi, which looks like a mix of horse and a zebra. Because of the wide variety of animals, DRC is often called natural zoo of world. तो DRC को natural zoo of world भी कहा जाता है because a variety of animals are found here. एक unique animal जो है जो कि okapi में found किया जाता है that is named as oka. One unique animal which is found in Congo is okapi, which जो कि हमें कैसा दिखता है एक mix होता है between a horse and zebra. Now the next heading of the chapter is people and their life. लोग यहाँ पे कौन से रहते हैं और कैसी लाइफ उनकी होती है. मोस्ट पीपल इन डीआरसी वर्क एज फार्मर्स. दे ग्रो क्रॉप्स सच एज कसावा, मेज एंड राइस. कसावा इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट रूट वेजिटेबल दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ देयर डेली फूड. तो ज्यादातर पीपल जो है डीआरसी में वो इन्वॉल्व है फार्मिंग में. क्रॉप्स लाइक कसावा, मेज एंड राइस ग्रोन हेयर. कसावा यहाँ की इंपॉर्टेंट रूट वेजिटेबल है बिकॉज वो उनके डेली फूड का पार्ट है, यानी वो उनका स्टेपल फूड है. DRC is rich in natural resources like gold, diamonds and copper. However, many people remain poor because they do not have enough facilities and opportunities. So DRC जो है वो natural resources like diamonds, golds और copper में भी rich है. कुछ people यहाँ पे poor रहते हैं because they do not have enough facilities या opportunities. The people of DRC belong to different tribes. The largest group is Bantu people, which while another group called Pygmies live in the forest. Pygmies are known for their short heights and unique way of life. तो लोग डीआरसी के जो लोग हैं वो डिफरेंट ट्राइब्स के हैं. एक लार्ज ग्रुप जिसको हम बंटू पीपल कहते हैं. अनदर ग्रुप नोन एज पाइगिम्स जो कि फॉरेस्ट में रहते हैं और उनको जाना जाता है उनकी शॉर्ट हाइट्स के लिए और वो एक यूनिक वे ऑफ लाइफ जीते हैं. नाउ लेट्स सी द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फैसिलिटीज अवेलेबल इन डीआरसी. Transportation is not easy in DRC. The Congo River is the main way to move goods and people. Some roads exist, but many of them are in poor condition, making it hard to travel. So transportation जो है यहाँ पे easy नहीं है, यानी transportation में difficulties आती हैं. Congo River एक main way है goods और people के transportation के लिए. कुछ roads exist करती हैं, but यहाँ पे बहुत सारी जो roads हैं वो poor condition में भी यहाँ पे देखने को मिलती हैं. Now let's see landforms and surroundings of DRC. An overview of the key land features in DRC. Let's see an overview. Landform. First is rainforest. Rainforest क्या है? Dense forest with tall trees forming a canopy. Rainforest यानी dense forest है जिसमें कि leaves जो हैं, trees के जो leaves हैं वो एक structure form करती हैं जिसको हम बोलते हैं canopy. Savannas क्या है? Grassland with scattered trees. Lakes, big lakes जैसे कि एल्बर्ट, किवू, एडवर्ड एंड टांगानिका आर फाउंड हेयर. कॉन्गो रिवर एक मेजर रिवर है और सेकेंड लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर है अफ्रीका में विच इज द मेन वे फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड गुड्स. नाउ next heading is taking care of nature. Why do we need to take care of nature? Because we live in the nature and it is very essential for us because we get many of our daily products from nature. So there is a need to protect it. The DRC has incredible nature beauty, but it also faces many challenges like poverty and conflict. To protect its lands and nature, to protect its lands and resources, it is important too. तो DRC की incredible beauties है, but यहाँ पे कुछ लोग challenges face करते हैं like poverty and conflict. So we need to protect it. It is important. We should take care of the forest and animals ताकि हम उसकी natural beauty को preserve करके रख सकें. We should protect the rivers and lakes from pollution because the rivers यहाँ की main source of water है. वी शुड हेल्प पीपल यूज रिसोर्सेज लाइक मिनरल्स वाइसली, ताकि हमारे मिनरल्स जो हैं वो इन फ्यूचर एक्सटिंक्ट ना हो. I hope you have understood the topic explained by me. Now let's quickly begin with vocabulary. Equator, जो कि एक imaginary line है which divides the earth into two halves. Canopy, एक roof-like structure which is formed by tree leaves in a rainforest. Savanna, एक grassland with scattered trees. Okapi, एक unique animal which is found in DRC, which is a mix of horse and zebra. कसावा, एक रूट वेजिटेबल जो कि डीआरसी में ईटन और ग्रोन करी जाती है, which is a staple food for people living in DRC. Now let us quickly recall what we have learned in this chapter. The DRC lies in Central Africa and stretches along a long area. This location marks the country hot and rainy for most of the year. The Congo River, a very important river, flows through DRC. Most people in DRC works as farmers. Cassava is an important root vegetable which is a part of their daily food. The people in DRC belongs to different tribes. Many people are engaged in farming and some people face challenges like poverty and conflict. Now, exercise time, think and answer. Moving to the first exercise, tick the correct option. What is the Congo River often called? Lifeline of Africa, Highway of Central Africa, or River of Gold? So it is called Highway of Central Africa. Which animal is unique to DRC? Lion, elephant, or okapi? Okapi. What is the climate of DRC mostly like? Cold and dry, hot and wet, or snowy? Option number B, because it is located near equator. Which crop is a staple food in DRC? Cassava, wheat, or barley? Option number A, cassava. What is the largest group of people in DRC called? Paigams, Bantu, or Masai? Option number B, Bantu. Next exercise, fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. The first question is, the DRC is located on the equator. Congo is the second longest river in Africa. The roof-like structure in rainforest is called canopy, which is formed by tree leaves. The DRC natural beauty includes both rainforest and savannas. SAVANNAS. Most people in DRC work as farmers. Tick for the true and cross for the false statement. The DRC is smallest country in Africa? No, it is largest. Congo River is used for transportation? Yes. Paigams are tallest people in DRC? No. They are short. They are known for their short heights. DRC has dense forest? Yes, it is true. Cassava is a type of fruit? No. It is a root crop. So that's all for today. Thank you, students. I hope you have understood it well. Now we'll meet in the next class. Till the time, keep learning, keep doing great. Take care. Bye-bye, students.